So over the years, Deb and I have had difference of opinion on how to clean floors and what to use on a floor. Now we're talking about wood floors because that's what we enjoy and like and think are really good. So for a while, Deb thought that it was really great to get these little Swiffer things and use them, like this.
Yeah, just for a quick cleanup, yeah, and to get underneath things.
Okay. However, when these were invented, I thought that these were a waste of material and useless and pointless because you could just do like my grandmother always did and use a dust mop. And they even make the dust mops now where it's a lot easier to take them off and wash them a lot faster.
Okay.
So we've come to agreement this is what we're using?
Well, not really, because that dust mop the dust and all doesn't cling to that dust mop. It just sort of pushes it around, and it doesn't, no, I don't really like that. I don't use it.
Well, I do, and then what I do is I push that dirt all around and still use a broom.
Good for you.
A broom and a dustpan always is the best thing to use.
Okie dokie.
Okay, and we have, I think, come to an agreement on how to clean the floors as far as like wet clean, right?
Yeah, we use the Swiffer. No, it's like a Swiffer, but there's a wet pad that you can just walk. It's like you use water, vinegar, and you can you don't use the Swiffer stuff that's really bad. But I do like to use just simple green or vinegar and water, and get the cloth that you can throw in the washing machine, and I do that. Oh,
so
and look at that.
Swiffer and wash it and use
Now that thing will work too. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I would use that.
Okay, but what I like is actually the.
Oh, I love it. I bought this thing myself because I love it.
So this is just hot steam.
It's just the water, hot water.
Hot water is all it is. Has a pad that we use all the time when we wash.
And it's actually clean.
And it cleans great.
Is that pad clean?
Huh?
Is that pad clean?
No. I used it, but it also disinfects. So this is
It gets like 99.3 or so % of germs and bacteria.
Yeah, this is my absolute favorite.
I like it too. It's great on the hardwood floors.
Yeah.
And there's another product we like to use called Bona.
We'll talk about it when we go clean over at the apartments.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
All right.